How to change Cash App name. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to change Cash App name. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Cash App application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on your profile icon on the top right of your screen. You will then be led to this type of interface. So, go ahead and tap on the personal option you see there, and you will then see the full name tab. So go ahead and tap on the full name option and erase your existing name, and further make the necessary changes and tap on the arrow icon on the top left of your screen. And now if you go back to your profile, your name will be saved to the name you just entered. So this is how you can change Cash App name. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.